class, let's have our second video, and this is the problem. A box contains 3 glazed donuts, 4 strawberry donuts, and 5 chocolate donuts. If a person selects one donut at random, find the probability that it is either glazed donut or chocolate. So, you will get one donut. And then, what is the probability of getting a glaze and a chocolate? Considering that you have 3 glaze, 4 strawberry, and 5 chocolate. To solve this, we have this formula. A special rule of addition when two events A and B are mutually exclusive. What does it mean when it's say mutually exclusive? When the events cannot happen, when two events cannot happen at the same time. So, so in this case, it is impossible for us to get one donut that is both glaze and chocolate. It is separate, so it is mutually exclusive. It is impossible for you to turn right while turning left. So it is mutually exclusive event. It will not happen at the same time. So in this case, we will use this formula. So the probability of A, our first event, is glazed donuts. So how many glazed donuts are there? We have 3. So 3. So over the sample space, the total sample space is, you have 3 plus 4, 7. So plus 5 is 12. So 12 is our sample space. Plus the B, the event B, which is chocolate. How many chocolate? 5 over 12. So we add it, since it is similar fraction, we directly add the numerator. So we have 3 plus 5, which is 8, and then copy the denominator, so you have 12. Reduce this by dividing numerator and denominator by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the probability of getting either glaze, donut, or chocolate is 2/3. Okay, so you take note this, you may write it in your notes. Okay, so let's have our second problem. A card is drawn from an ordinary deck. Find the probability of getting 3 or a diamond. So we have this formula, which is different from the first one or the previous one. A special rule of addition when two events A and B are not mutually exclusive. So the previous one is mutually, now it is not mutually exclusive. So this event can occur. So can occur at the same time. An example is getting a 3 or a diamond. So there is an event in the card that it can occur. So we have a diamond that is 3, right? So it is not mutually exclusive event. So if it's not mutually exclusive event, we will use this formula. So you have the probability of A or B is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So in this case, the probability of 3 or diamond. So the probability of 3, so how many 3 are in the deck? So we have 4. And the total possible outcome is 52. Or how many diamonds are there? There are 13. And you have 52 as a sample space. Minus the probability of A and B. So the combination of 3 or diamond. So how many 3 or diamond in a deck? So there is only 1. So one event where the card is both 3 and diamond. So you have 1 over 52. You will subtract it. So you have 4 plus 13 is 17 minus 1 is 16 over 52. And reduce that 1 to its lowest term, so you have 4 over 13. So 4 over 13 is our probability of getting 3 or a diamond. Okay? So do not forget, we have two formulas introduced. The mutually exclusive events that cannot occur at the same time, and the events not mutually exclusive events, so this one, it can occur at the same time. So the difference is, if it is mutually, diri ra kutob, probability of A plus probability of B. But if it's not mutually exclusive, minus san siya og probability of A and B. Okay? Ngano ka minusan? It's because na-count naman ang usa. The one card is already counted either 4/52 or naa siya sa 13/52. You get the idea? So, if dili na to minusan sa event, mahitabo na duha na ang card. So, 4/52, apil na baya diri ang diamond. Diamond 3. Ang 13/52, apil sa diri ang diamond 3. So, we need to subtract the probability of both. So, 1/52. So that dili siya na repeat ang atuang card. So, that's the reason. So, we have here our two formulas, and do not forget. So, total, we have three formulas. The general formula, which is the probability of the number of events divided by the total number of possible outcomes, which is the sample space, and the mutually exclusive events and not mutually exclusive events. So let's have our next video.